Day 65. Yesterday you placed a limit order. Today you're going to learn about something that ties everything you've built together. You have a strategy, it has rules, it places orders. But how do you know if any of it actually works? You can't just run it on the market and then hope it doesn't wreck your portfolio. You need to test it against real historical data first. So, what is a backtest? A backtest is a simulation that runs your algorithm against historical market data, so you can see how it would have performed before you risk a single dollar. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have the flight simulator, on the right the backtest. Imagine a pilot training on a flight simulator. The plane isn't real, the sky isn't real, but the instruments, the conditions, and the decisions are. If they crash in the simulator, they learn why. No one gets hurt. The flight simulator here says, test the judgment before the stakes are real. A backtest works exactly the same way. You run your algorithm against years of historical prices, which in this case is, if your strategy would have lost money in 2020, you find out now, not after it happens with real capital. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of backtest in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A backtest tells you exactly how much money your algorithm will make going forward, true or false. And the correct answer is false. A backtest shows you how the algorithm would have performed on past data, not what it will do in the future. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results.